Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to receive notifications from our channel. Subscription is completely free.
Sup guys, this is Nihal, but in this video I'm going to show you how you can clear up your space in Android mobile and make it smoother and best in performance. So let's get started without any fuss. It's First of all, I recommend you to go into the settings of your Android phone, whichever Android version you have, and go into system and check out for the latest updates. So like I am here going to check if there is any recent update on my phone or not. So as you can see, there's no update available for my Android device, so I'm done for that. So all you have to do is just check for the update. If you have any issue like the update will give me bugs or something like, just check out the forum, check out YouTube, and see if anyone is facing the bug issue or something like that. If not, just go for the update, because always the company gets better performance in the next update. So next step, I want you to go into settings and go into storage and see which thing is taking up your space. Like in my case, photos and videos are taking too much, like seriously too much, 12 GB. So this is a checkup where you can see which application is taking lots of your data. So as you can see, photos is taking 2.3 GB, FaceApp is 156 MB, PixArt, then this much, and images are taking like 9.5 GB. So all you have to do is like go into these things and clear out manually. Next thing, like other apps. So you might go into other apps and see which app is taking out your space. Like I'm going, you can see 1.22 GB is taken by Netflix. So I've downloaded some data, and after watching that you have to just delete it. That's obvious. Or if there is like Spotify, I have also downloaded some playlists in Spotify. So that means this is my data, I need it, I can't delete it. But there is something like you can go for Chrome. You can see it has some cache data. You can see over here cache is 475 MB. So just go into clear cache and see, it will clear out the data of cache. So it's 0 bytes, and it was taking like 500 MB. That's too much. Just go into that and clear out all the caches if you have. Like in Spotify, the cache file is only 13.4 MB, so doesn't matter. In here it's 137, so I'm gonna do it. So you just manually go into every file and every application and just press clear cache. Like message is taking 500 MB cache, that's bullshit. Just clear cache and you're good to go. You have to do it to every application you want, and you will finally get rid of some space. So next step we go is to clear RAM. If you have any background applications, like I'm gonna open some applications, hold on. When you have applications in your background, it takes your RAM obviously. So in RAM management, if your phone is good at RAM management, it's cool, but if not, you should clear your RAM like always obviously. So all you have to do is just clear out these applications, or swipe up to here and press clear all to get rid of every application which is in the background. So next step we go is for the battery. So battery is an important thing in these performance and all that stuff. So you can hop up to your settings and go into battery. Here you can see my screen usage is 6 hours 38 minutes after full charging, right? So just go into battery usage and see which application is taking battery. So I was downloading this movie, Pikachu movie, so from the torrent. So Fluid was open for like less than an hour, so it's taking 41%, but now I don't use it, like I'm not using it right now. So you can go for background restriction and choose the background restriction on any application that you like. So I'm not going to use it on this because it uses background data while you are downloading obviously. So just do your thing, which app you don't like to move in background, like UC Mini, I'll go and restrict it. So if it's taking or draining battery like at the current time, just force stop it and press OK. That's it. So for battery, I don't recommend using applications like these. If you go into the Play Store, you can see max battery, battery repair life, AQ battery, and these all things. These are simply garbage. These applications won't last. They are like simply they will give you full advertisements, no help at all, and in return they are going to bug your phone with advertisements and they will drain more battery. So if there is any application in the market which really helps in battery, that's Greenify, which is an exposed module. So we're not going to use some root stuff over here, so please disregard that one too. So don't use any application like that. So next step is some light apps and clearing out the data first. First of all, I'm gonna show you like cleaner. There are some apps like these, Clean Master. These are all the Chinese applications and some normal applications. Like you can see these Cheetah Mobile. Cheetah Mobile is officially actually banned by Google, with like 4 or 5 applications has been banned on Play Store. So in all these applications, I just trust this CC Cleaner because I am using this application on my PC from like a year and it really helps. It's a really great app. You should check it out. Once you download it, just open it. You can see it's simple. You just need to analyze. You just press analyze. And like similarly like PC, if you have watched my video, you can check about how to get your max performance in your Windows. So the card is given above, you can check out. In that video I have shown this application in PC and it works really fine. It clears out your junk files and all that shit. So similarly in mobile, just analyze and you can see finish cleaning 7.15. Not actually, it is not 7.15 GB, it just shows it, but really it clears out some hidden data like thumbnails and all shit. So if you want to clear out your app data, which I don't recommend, you can do that too. So like you can see downloads, I have this Pokemon 3 GB. I copied this to my PC, so I don't need it right now. And going to the VM workstation, I have this in my PC. These things, I literally don't need them. So just take them out and press this, proceed. Just wait for the process and it will clear like a ton of data. So on show results, you can see it cleared out some data. Well, that's pretty good. So after closing this application, next step you have to go in Play Store, and there are similar like some light applications. Like you can go for Messenger Lite. You can see there are these light applications for famous applications like Messenger. They much RAM, so they provide you light application for potato phones. So if you are using a old phone, please, I recommend you to go for the light versions of these apps like Skype. Skype is also having a light version. You can see this is Skype, and here we go for the Skype Lite. And similarly, there's Facebook Lite. You can go for Facebook, and there you go, Facebook Lite. Sorry, this is the Facebook Lite. So that's it. These applications are low in MB and requires less RAM. So next step is to go into settings and go into system, go into advanced, and there you can see developer options over here, right? So if you're not able to see developer option in your phone, all you have to do is go into about phone and scroll down to build number and press build number like 6 to 7 times. When you do it, it's like here you can see it says no need, you are already a developer. So when you're not a developer, you have to continuously press on build number like 7 times, 6 times, and it will show you like press 4 times, 3 times, 2 times, 1. Now come on, you are now a developer. That's it. So once you are a developer, just go into developer options and scroll down to transition. So here you can see transition, like I've already put it off. So in default it's gonna be 1x, for everything. So this is the animation, like window animation, like when you close something, when you open any application, the fade out and the fade in, pop up, and all these transitions. All you have to do is just go and turn them off. So once you can see there's no animation at all, like seriously no animation at all. So this makes your phone faster. Next thing is GPU rendering. So scroll a bit down and you can see for GPU rendering it has to be turned off in the basics. So just click on it and it will turn it on. So what it does, it's like it uses your GPU to render for the 2D drawings, like your screen, applications, and all that. So which is GPU is more powerful. This is recommended for low-end phones. So next up you can do is Force 4x MSAA, which is recommended for gamers. If you're playing game, just do it, but yeah, it will drain a lot of battery when you're using it. So I recommend it you using on phones while playing the game. So next thing I would like to share is like background check. You can go in background check and you can see there are some applications. Most of them are system applications, so don't mess with any system application which is like most important application, like the quota service and all that. But rather than them, if you want to close any application, like I have choose this APK Editor Pro, I don't need the background system of this application. So you can close your according to your needs. Just close these applications and it, like the tap it will save your battery and give you performance. So next thing, there's no next thing in there. So that's it. Once you're done this whole process, I recommend you to restart your mobile, simply going into restart and press restart. That's it. Once you restart, you'll pop and you'll see there's a difference in your phone. So once again saying that don't use any application like battery saver and all that, cleaners and all that. Just use the given description, given links, the given applications. I will provide the link in the description to check out how to optimize your Windows PC too. So I hope you check it out, and you like the video, thumbs up for the video please, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you have any complaint, just drop a comment below. See ya. Bye bye.
Choices you made, did you make them